History is written by victors. Winston Churchill. The task assigned was to design and commission an ambitious project. The NMDC Kumaraswamy Iron Ore Project, 4.8 kilometers high-speed downhill belt conveyor system. This giant piece of equipment, also known to the locals as the Anaconda, for good reasons. Challenges faced were absence of roads, hilly terrains, impenetrable geographical location, uphill and downhill landscapes. There are also many unique features of this downhill conveyor, like the high-speed belt, which is in declined position when material is transferred, and the number of curvatures are in line of the conveyor, which are not as per recognized standards of the best conveyor system. So, Elecon Engineering, along with the world's best technology providers, came together to design and commission the NMDC Kumaraswamy Iron Ore Project Downhill Belt Conveyor. The NMDC Downhill Conveyor has been a feat in conveyor belt technology. It has combined years of technological developments in order to create a well-balanced system. Methods of design and construction, which have been met with tentativeness, have proven themselves here. Also, installation of the conveyor system in the valley and forest area was a tough task, where the mobilization of resources was a big challenge. So a special construction methodology was used to install the system. Elecon Engineering Company Limited is one of the leaders in offering solutions for bulk material handling equipment and the first in the country to offer sophisticated equipment, simplify complex engineering, procurement and construction (EPC) for our clients. Over the past 6 decades, Elecon has created benchmarks for several industries such as power transmission, port, mining, fertilizers and cement, and continues to be the market leaders by providing desired value and propositions to our clients. One of our many milestone projects is the NMDC Kumaraswamy Iron Ore Project, a long-distance single-flight high-speed downhill regenerative belt conveyor system at Donimalai near Bellary in Karnataka. We're proud to announce the successful commissioning of this project, one of the premier advanced conveying technologies in the world. This was a never-before commissioned project and the odds were high. Precision engineering, immaculate planning and errorless execution needed to be delivered. But the most importantly, belief and competence, which helped us bag the project in the first place. The NMDC project stands as the attestation of our belief and our competence. It is this belief which enables us to deliver such demanding projects. This 4.8 kilometers long downhill overland conveyor system is used to carry maximum 100 mm sized iron ore feeding from Kumaraswamy mines at the top of the hill region to the existing screening plant. The next generation low-loss type steel core belt is used in this system, which has 1050 mm belt width. With a belief that if we aspire, we can build, this high-speed trough belt conveyor system at NMDC Donimalai encompasses a system which has transfer rate capability of 2000 TPH with a high belt speed of 6 meters per second. The downhill portion of the conveyor spans 3.5 kilometers of the 4.8 kilometers with a total drop of 316 meters and maximum slope of 12 degrees. It comes with a belt turnover system installed at both its ends to keep return stand spillage free and has an economical without walkway triangular gantry structure throughout the length of conveyor with 2 self-propelled hydraulic operated inspection cum maintenance mobile trolleys. This has become a challenge to the design engineers due to the conveyor's natural instability under load and several hundred meters of drop, and it had become vital to develop an intelligent braking drive system which efficiently controls its starting and stopping commands under various load conditions. This conveyor has two variable frequency drives, VFDs, at feeding end and has a total capacity of 800 kilowatt times 2, which means 1.6 megawatts motor power, designed for both positive as well as negative mode of operations, and during regeneration, generated power is then fed back into the network. Also, one of the most advanced, both proportional and digital controlled disc braking system is installed to ensure this conveyor is 100% secure and fail-safe in the event of an unforeseen calamity, power failures and emergencies. In order to overcome the ascents and descents of the plateau, it has been given 4 horizontal curves and 7 vertical curves spread across its length, gives the sight of a giant snake, and thus the local inhabitants call it the anaconda. As this conveyor passes through village areas, special low-noise rollers are installed. Further, this conveyor is covered with fire detection and a suppression system throughout the length in order to effectively control the occurrence of fire in its incipient stage. We were offered impenetrable terrains as the playground. It took every bit of our team's creative imagination and combined years of technological developments to create a well-balanced, error-free system. This conveyor belt system improves the total efficiency of conveyor system by holistically addressing the following aspects of the project: increased energy savings and decreased operational cost, reduced impact on local inhabitants, reduced total power intake, reduced civil works for transfer towers, reduced steel works for gantries, increased safety for personnel and locals, reduced environmental impact. This state-of-the-art 4.8 kilometers long downhill overland conveyor belt system is just one of the many accomplishments for which the name Elecon Engineering will be remembered. At Elecon, we create engineering benchmarks.